morning, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Desk on this Saturday morning. Hey, it's November the 29th, and at the time of making this video, it's 21 degrees at 4:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Wayne County, Indiana. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk, so stay tuned so you can see what's coming in your forecast. For the Northeast, looking at cold and unsettled across the Northeast. Light snow showers continue upstate New York, Vermont, and northern New Hampshire. Southern New England stays cloudy with highs in the upper 30s and low in the low 40s. You are going to see a few flurries may drift into Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey through the afternoon. Now, looking at the southeast, looking at much warmer for the southeast today. Highs stretch into the upper 60s and even into the mid 70s from the Carolinas to Florida. Looking at mostly dry, but a few isolated showers may pop up along the Gulf Coast, especially around Louisiana and the Mississippi. Looking at the Midwest and the Great Lakes, looking at cold air conditions across move through the region. I expect scattered flurries and light snow from Minnesota and Wisconsin down through Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio. Not looking at any major snow accumulation expected right now, but roads may be damp. Highs stay in the upper 20s and the mid 30s with wind chills running even colder. Now let's take a look at the Central Plains, what you can expect. Looking at a calm and quiet day, high pressure brings partly to mostly sunny skies across the Dakotas, Nebraska, and Kansas. High temperatures range from the 30s into the north and the mid 50s to the south. Now looking at light winds and dry weather conditions. Now looking at the southwest area. A weak disturbance brings scattered showers across Arizona and New Mexico, and South California remains dry, comfortable. Highs in the 60s to low 70s. Looking at cloud cover expected to increase through the evening in the four corners of the region. And for your Rocky Inner Mountain West area, looking at snow continues in the higher elevation of Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. Travel over the mountain passes may be slick early this morning. Highs stay in the 20s and 30s in the mountains and in the 40s in some of the valley areas. Now for the Pacific Northwest, another Pacific system moves in today, bringing widespread rain to western Washington and Oregon, and expect a steady showers throughout the day and accumulating mountain snow in the Cascades. Temperatures remain in the upper 40s to the low 50s. And looking at the California forecast, Northern California, you'll see this morning clouds moving in with a chance of light rain. In the central and southern California, you guys can enjoy dry, mild conditions with highs in the 60s and the low 70s. Looking at breezy at times near the coast, though. Looking at your national recap, snowy and cold in the Great Lakes and Rocky Northeast, and rainy in the Pacific Northwest, parts of the Southwest, and mild and sunny in Southeast and Southern Plains and much of California. That quiet, calm in the Central Plains. Now for your local forecast here in Indiana and what you can expect. So stay tuned and keep updated and what we're looking at. I will continue to monitor the forecast for updates for this weekend and try to keep everybody up to date. Temperature this morning, let's say, is 21 degrees here in Richmond, Indiana. Okay, Indiana, now let's look at the days ahead and what you can expect. Forecast snow totals have decreased slightly from the previous forecast due to the warmer air filtering into the region, and more of a mix of rain and snow expected near southeast of the I-70 and I-71 corridors. The forecast area for several inches of snow be knocking at your door in east central Indiana through west central Ohio. The latest data suggests that there will be more mixing of rain and snow across the tri-state and near southeast of I-70 and I-71, which has greatly reduced the potential snow accumulation in these areas and will likely keep most accumulation confined to grassy and elevated surfaces. Now, there is still the expectation that transition from snow to mix of rain and snow will occur near north of I-70 late this evening into tonight, which will compact newly fallen snow accumulation. Additionally, wind gusts will increase to around 30 to 35 miles per hour tonight through Sunday afternoon, with dry conditions returning west to east by the afternoon. I am also monitoring the potential for snow Monday night into Tuesday. So yes, we got another system coming, and I'll have more updates on that system Sunday morning forecast for this next one coming in. Otherwise, we're on our winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. This morning till 9 a.m. going into Sunday morning. And looking at snow impact and snow accumulation between 2 to 4 inches, wind gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. And what we're looking at is a low pressure system moves through the Great Lakes this afternoon through Sunday morning, bringing a mix of rain and snow to the Ohio Valley. Looking at cold and dry conditions move in behind the low for Monday before the next system brings a chance of snow Monday night into Tuesday. Now, cold weather stays into place through the entire work week. So if you're one that works outside, stay warm and be careful. Looking at your forecast for today, snow showers mainly after 1 p.m. with a high of 34 degrees. Light southeast wind increasing to 5 to 10 miles per hour this morning. Winds could gust as high as 21 miles per hour, and chance of precipitation is 80%. Daytime snow accumulation looking at around an inch today. Tonight, rain and snow showers before 1 a.m., then changing over to snow showers likely between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m., then back to rain and snow mix likely after 2 a.m. Looking at a low temperature of 27 degrees, winds out of the southeast at 10 to 17 miles per hour, and then switching out of the southwest after midnight. Wind gusts could be as high as 32 miles per hour, looking at a 100% chance of mixture, and new snow accumulation of around 1 to 3 inches possible. Now, looking at the Sunday forecast, chance of snow showers between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m., cloudy conditions with a high near 32 degrees, winds out of the west at 14 to 18 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 32 miles per hour, looking at a 30% chance, and around a half inch possible. Moving into Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 19 degrees. Winds out of the west at 5 to 9 miles per hour, becoming light out of the northwest after midnight. And winds could gust as high as 20 miles per hour. Monday, looking at mostly cloudy with a high at 31 degrees and calm winds coming out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour. Monday night, snow showers in the forecast, mainly after 1 a.m. Cloudy with a low around 24 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%, and new snow accumulation between 1 to 3 inches possible. Then looking at your Tuesday forecast, chance of snow showers before 1 p.m., mostly cloudy with a high of 29 degrees, looking at a 40% chance. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 15 degrees. Yeah, whew. Wednesday, partly sunny with a high near 30, and winds out of the southwest at 8 miles per hour. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share the video. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to join so you can stay updated on the forecast. Stay safe. Have a good day. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.